Yo, what's up guys? Teacher Paul here, and today we have a coffee request. If you want to request a video, click over here or buy me a coffee. Link is in the description. And thank you guys so much for your support. So today we are reacting to Ylvis, and this is going to be fun because this is both in Norwegian and in Dutch. So let me know where you're watching from, the Netherlands or Norway. And yeah, because if you don't know, we have other channels, Nordic channels, a channel for the Netherlands, Germany, so this is going to be interesting because this is going to be on both channels. And today's request comes from Julia, who says, "Hi Paul, this video is also for your Dutch channel." So you guys can leave a comment saying thank you, Julia. So if you are from the Netherlands and maybe you're not familiar with Ylvis, they're the ones who sings the fox. What does the fox say? And if you are Norwegian, you obviously know who they are. They're just really awesome. So we're gonna check out the videos, okay? So we are gonna have two screens. One screen for the Dutch channel and the other screen is gonna be for the main channel. So you guys can choose which one you want to see, okay? Let's go.
Vi skal videre. Vi har lenge følt det at språket nederlandsk, det er tullespråk. Ja, det er litt sånn, vår teori er at nederlandsk er et språk som er et språk. Man kan bare snakke sitt eget språk, norsk, svensk, dansk, whatever, og så kan man legge på noen nederlandske geit og grote geit, og så høres det helt greit ut i Nederland, og de skjønner det. Og det vi hadde lyst til å gjøre var å teste denne teorien. Så vi dro til Sverige og booket på noen tolker som skulle oversette i et fiktivt program som vi laget. Og du skulle snakke nederlandsk. Jeg var ekspert. Ja. Jaap Westerdeig. Skulle snakke om tre.
By the way, if you are from the Netherlands, let me know how much of Norwegian you can understand. And if you are from Netherlands, let me know, from Norway, let me know how much of Dutch you can understand. Because there are a few things that are very similar I have seen, like verstaan, like understand, and in Norwegian it's also very similar. So there are a few things.
Jaap Westerdeig. Skulle snakke om tresko. Kan du noe nederlandsk i det hele tatt? Jeg kan ikke geen Nederlandse sprake. Her skal dere få se noen svenske tolker så godt de bare kan på uforståelig nederlandsk. Velkommen. Ja, se her da. Ingrid. Oksvett. Tolk. Oké. Oké, tolk. Ja. Dat je een tolk nodig hebt. Oké. Er vi klare? Ja, klar. Hopp rett på.
Klar. Klar means ready in both languages also.
Vi har fått besøk av en nederlandsk kulturviter, og det er Jaap Westerdeig. Velkommen. Dette med treskoene først. Hva er det som ligger bak denne treskohistorien?
Ja, eerst wil ik over die klompen spreken. Wat ligt er eigenlijk, wat is er voor achtergrond achter die klompen, die Nederlandse klompen?
Vi har tradisjoner voor 100 jaar så vi alltid min visual te gaan met de Walbenes, dus strandgevallen bij den valzen. Die 11% van onder de jeugd parkvindt Grevenal. In park van afhoofd bij een elf was dus kelf vinden die grap alfen. En dan had die verbof.
She's like so confused. Hey, that's not Dutch.
Ja.
Nee, zegt
Kan man niet.
Ja, weet je het Nederlands doen of?
Ah?
Ja?
Are you speaking Dutch?
Ja, nej, ik kan inte echt allt. Ik kan ju een beetje så duidelijk.
Nee.
Ik begreep er geen woord van.
Sorry. She's so honest. I don't understand a word you said.
Ja, man kan väl säga att näringslivet har satsat medvetet på det här. Ett exempel är den här träskon. Ja.
Dette med treskoene, hvor kommer det fra?
She's so professional.
Ik heb het niet helemaal begrepen, maar waar komt dat vandaan, deze traditie met die klompen?
De textielindustrie had een generaalstreik van 28, is dat waar?
Dus het was een generale staking van de textielindustrie. Een staking. Staking, ja.
She knows something is wrong.
Een textielstreek.
Met één enkel woord te zeggen wat het Nederlandse kunstimport of cultuurimport geweest is in de laatste jaren.
Import.
Eén woord.
Gaafvregen.
Det är någonting kul, bra, super. Zegt in Frans, zegt in Duits of in Frans. Ja, alltså det är ett kraftuttryck. Helt enkelt superbra eller någonting sånt där.
She's pretending she understands, man. I feel sorry for them. You didn't even try to say something similar.
Ja, det är alltså Maria och Klaus. De har Sebben Åkerls kostymen. Ja, de har liksom som kläder på sig under. Och så säger då Maria till Klaus att hon har cancer.
He lost it. He broke character, man.
Vi skal videre. Vi har lenge følt det at
Oh man, the guy couldn't hold it in. He also broke character, man. At the end, he was like, nah, this can't be true. But you know, if you're told that you're in live television and you're on a TV show, you gotta go with it, right? You actually gotta go with it. The other video is even better, the dating show in the Netherlands with Vegard. Okay, so we can check that out as well. So it's interesting because Ylvis, they are very international. You know, they don't only have one type of video, like one type of show. They have different types of shows, and they love doing different cultures. So they love going to other countries as well. And it's amazing to see the cultural differences. I'm a bit sick today, guys, so sorry about that. But, you know, this was pretty fun. I love to see this. This kind of reminded me, you know, who used to do this? Borat. You know, what's his name again? Sacha Cohen Baron used to do these type of things. And, you know, Ylvis does it very nicely as well. But guys, if you want to see more Ylvis videos, then you can do just like Julia did and request a video through Buy Me a Coffee. The link is in the description. And also join us on Discord. We're building a very good and nice community there. If you want to join us there, the link is in the description. Don't forget, click over here or over here to see more videos. And I'll see you soon. Take care now. Bye-bye.